Unit 3, Part A, Activity 2B. Listen, check and repeat. Turn left. Traffic lights. Turn right. Go past. Take the third right. Bridge. Go straight on. Central Reservation. Turn around. Crossing. Roundabout. Unit 3, Part A, Activity 4A. Listen and answer the questions below. Write the answers in your notebook.
Excuse me, can you help me find the bank?
Sure, you must be a tourist.
Yes, I am. It's my first time visiting Siem Reap.
Then I have to make sure you find the bank. It's actually a bit far from here. First, do you see that central reservation? Go around it and turn right when you see the swimming pool. Next, turn left at the corner and go straight along that road. You'll see the shopping mall on your left and another road next to it. Just go past them, then you'll see a crossing and a roundabout in front of it. Go straight on and the bank will be on your right.
Wait a minute, do I have to turn around at the roundabout?
What? No, just go straight.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Unit 3, Part B, Activity 1B. Listen, check and repeat. Museum. Railway station. Pagoda. Night market. Supermarket. Bus station. Hospital. Swimming pool. Post office. Shopping mall. Unit 3, Part B, Activity 3A. Listen to the full conversation between Kasal and Tim. Write down the sentences that have should.
You look upset, Tim. What's wrong?
Kasal, what should I do? It's almost Lynn's birthday, but I don't know what to get her.
First, you should check what she likes now.
I think she likes animals. Should I buy a teddy bear?
You shouldn't buy that. She's not a little girl anymore. How about the book? I think she reads a lot.
Yeah, I think you're right. She talked about this novel a few days ago, but where can I buy it?
You should check the bookshop in the shopping mall. If they don't have it, you should ask them to order it for you.
You're right. Thanks, Kasal.
No problem. We are friends after all. But Tim, do you know how to get there?
Yes. Go out of the school and take the second left. Then turn right, and the shopping mall is on my right.
That's right. Good luck.